Hi guys, it's me, Pato. It's not working. Ow! Stop! Stop! Yeah, oh yeah! Oh, it's been George. George. Yeah. Alright. Uh-oh! Oh crap, okay. It's over, so let's oh! Let's spit out, let's spit out. Okay, spit out. I lost the word. What? Yes. I think that's my it's gonna be 6 a.m. Yes! Come on, it's 6 a.m. It's gonna be beautiful day, please. Please do 6 a.m. Please. It's 6 a.m. Oh yeah, it's 6 a.m. Yeah. Suckers. Come together. We have a new problem. What are you doing? Oh. Okay. We do everything at once. This all is going to be torture too. Why? Why I do? You just got jump scare, you idiot. What the heck? What the? Alright guys, so we start tomorrow or the next year. So goodbye!